Payne Pre Owned McColl is the home of pre-owned muscle, like this pre-owned 2022 Ford Mustang GT. White in color, asymmetrical competition stripe, 5-liter V8 underneath the hood, 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in sport tires. Oh yeah, 5.0 badging. We got the lower valence there. Mustang right here. We've got heated and vented front driver and passenger seats, traditional handbrake, console shifter right here. Our little accessory switches, very old school Mustang. We also have navigation here on the center stack, also full digital cockpit right there, including the track mode, leather wrapped steering wheel, paddle shifter, also hands-free controls, very comfy, and billeted pedals. Huge wing in the back to keep that hind end on the ground. We open it up, we got a whole bunch of room for all of our gear, for the track, for the highway, for anywhere, and dual exhaust, quad exhaust to let that 5.0 V8 breathe. So come on by Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of McCall Road and Business 83 in McAllen, Texas for this pre-owned 2022 Ford Mustang GT with less than 18,000 miles on it. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo Que Tu Quieres, regardless.